that we just had to go there, and the world that he created, we had to step into. And we kind of discovered these characters there on set, I think, more than anything else. But for me to say I did this, that, the other, I think you should go experience this because it's really a phenomenal film. Something like this has never been done. I was very scared when Kangana had to do action because I was like, okay, you know, how is it going to be this thing? But action कुछ लोगों को जचता है और कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल नहीं जचता. And because it's like doing a dance. And Kangana is super flexible, which is a big advantage. Her body language, her expressions, and what she brought to the table while doing the action was phenomenal. मैं वाकई में डरने लगा कि ये मुझे मार ना दे. You know, but she's done a fantastic job. I've never seen an actor do action of this scale so realistically and so effortlessly and so wonderfully. You know, I'm not saying an actress, I'm saying an actor also. You know, for me, I've done a lot of action films. It comes something that comes naturally to me, and I know it's not easy to do. You have to have a tremendous amount of concentration and a lot of physical strength as well, and focus. And Kangana, well done.
Thank
That's
you.
really, really fantastic. And this one here, okay, who I really love, and we have some great chemistry in the movie, which I think I will really enjoy watching those scenes again and again when I get much older and I'm sitting one day on my couch and I have to see some memorable scenes that I have to watch. There'll definitely be some with Divya. And yes, and Sohail, Rezi, Deepak Bhai, he didn't know he was making such a big film. It just got bigger and bigger as we progressed. And so that's why we called it Dhakad. And then Sohail, who was the perfect person who would create the balance of, you know, the finance and the creativity. And I think what we've got here really is fantastic. There's this wonderful gentleman who's come and shot this film. His name is Tetsu-san. He is a very acclaimed DOP who is going to get married to Rezi very soon, and we will announce that when that happens. But Rezi almost killed him also. We'll talk about that later. But yeah, so we have a great, great team out there. Kaleem Bhai, you know, Rameshwar, Dhruv, everybody out here. We've had a great time. So it's nothing I want to say about my character. They go experience it. But there's a lot of chemistry in this movie.